Friday night test and tune at Island Dragway, and you already know we have the EG. So last week we went the 11.4 and we went over the tune and looked at data logs and made a couple changes. So the tranny makes a little noise in third, so hopefully that holds. But aside from that, it should go faster than it did last week. We're shooting for the 10, so see if we could break into the 10-second club. But yeah, just got in here, just got the tech, getting everything sorted out. So hopefully here in a few minutes I'll be making my first pass. I'm debating on whether I want to keep the GoPro in the car or put it outside on the window. I haven't decided because I don't trust my little GoPro suction cup. But yeah, I just want to try to get some better footage for you guys. I'm working on getting the camera, that way I could zoom in down the track and stuff like that. But for now, I got what I got. So hope you guys enjoy, hope we get the 10, and I'll see you guys soon. All right guys, this will be the first pass. See how it does. Cooking. Woo! Oh man, that was really good. Got the data, yes. That felt good, guys. I swore it was faster than that. I don't know. I mean, it's better, I guess. It's good news, but that felt a lot better than that. Man, okay, we got work to do. I don't know how well you guys can see me, but I don't even know if I recorded that last pass, but we switched the slicks out for a little bit bigger and made some changes to the tune. And third gear, I think, was hurt from the burnouts last week at ACO, and she's back on the trailer. So third gear left on that pass. So go home, put a tranny in it, and go for it again. And it looks like we blew the taillight out, apparently. Maybe we had something going on, look at that. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted, and this won't be much of a video, but hey, I'll do something with it. You guys take it easy, thanks for watching. See you next time.